Hey, welcome back to Squarebody Stuff. I am on the road headed down to check out a Squarebody. The guy I met a couple years ago at a burnout contest. His little C10, I think he ended up winning it. I've got a video. I can't remember for sure if his truck was in the video or not, but I'll post a link to that video up here in the corner. Had cream puff in a burnout contest, and it was pretty fun. Anyways, he's in the middle of rebuilding his truck and just got the bed painted, I think, and he done an LS swap. So we're gonna run down here and check it out, see where he's at on the project right now, get a little interview, and then maybe later on down the road we'll go check it out again whenever he's got it done. Hopefully he'll take it up to the racetrack and you guys can watch him give me a good spanking on the track. But anyways, I'm gonna head on down the road and we'll go check out this Squarebody. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing Squarebodies and making some new friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Squarebody. Yeah, I think I'm at the right place. Unless you come out to shoot me.
It's far few in between out here.
Yeah, that's the first time I've been out this way. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Well, there she is.
Yes, sir. A lot different than the last time I seen it.
Oh yeah, a lot different. It's still got a bunch of work to do.
Yeah.
Like the bed's got to be wet sanded. It's got a couple runs in it, a couple droops on this side that's got to be scraped down and buffed out.
Yeah, I had a boss tell me one time when I worked on the oil rigs offshore, we'd be painting the rig. He said, if you ain't get runs in, you ain't got enough paint on there.
Exactly.
I was like, man, it kills me.
Exactly. We still got to put inner fenders in it.
Yeah.
We gotta go wider ones. Tires kept rubbing. So they sell a 4-inch wider fender well.
Yeah, I think I've seen those.
But they're hard to get.
Everything's getting hard to get right now, I think.
You find one that you're waiting on them to link another one out there.
So what year is it?
It's 82.
82.
Yep.
82.
We completely redone the exhaust system, the rear end in it, put front and rear lower shackles on it.
Yeah.
It's got
Still
X
running
pipe.
10 bolt.
Yep. It's got 373 full posi with locker. It's all fuel injected now.
I thought I remembered that you put a LS in it, but I wasn't quite sure. And I'm hoping, I can't remember that burnout video I did. I can't remember if your truck made it in the video or not. I don't know if you remember. I'll have to go back and look.
I don't remember.
I was hoping it did, that we can kind of put a, you know, the first time I seen the truck in this video. Steel cow hood.
Yeah. All custom wiring harness. I didn't like the idea of wires laying all over the place.
Yeah.
So we actually made the harness so long that it droops all the way back up and around the computer. But we made it where we can poke it up inside the cab.
Yeah.
Drill a little hole and mount it up under the dash in it. And
Yeah.
So far, this is as far as it's made it. The this winter kind of took a toll wanting to do anything to it,
I
especially when you work outside.
I was the same way. I mean, I got that little shop, but still yet, I was just having a hard time. Finally got a wood stove out there, but I was still having a hard time just making myself get out there, and had everything else. Some of it was just trying to survive, you know,
Exactly.
the freezing weather, and I got all my critters to take care of, neighbors' critters to take care of. It was a rough winter, and so I just kind of put all that stuff to the side.
Real rough winter, yeah. We're getting ready to take the whole front clip back off of it again. We're gonna do the whole core support in the same color black.
Yeah.
Do each fender by itself. Then I got a couple spots to work out on this hood. I didn't give a whole lot for the hood. I think I give $100 for the hood in exchange with my old hood.
That's pretty good deal. Yeah.
Here to here. There's a spot
Yeah.
right here. And there's a big one over here on this one side that I gotta work out.
Yeah, right in here.
Yep. Then when we get ready to paint the cab, we're gonna yank the windows out of it.
Yeah.
I got a guy that's gonna come down and put new windshields in it for me. So I can get in behind the rubbers, get them all painted up. Then the inside's completely almost done. Inside this
Full of junk.
full of leaves and from in and out, and trying to get to run, messing with the computer.
Is it just a factory computer, or is it aftermarket?
It's aftermarket. Well, it's a factory computer that's been reworked.
Okay.
It's all LED digitals.
Oh yeah. Those look pretty slick.
I'd start it, but fuel tank's in the bed of the truck. And all the fuel stuff's just sitting here. Yeah, it's got all new door rubbers in it. I mean, so when it shuts,
it's sealed. Yeah.
And we shaved the mirrors on it.
Yeah, and the drip rails are gone.
Yep. It's just a work in progress.
Yeah.
Got all the parts to go back together, just time.
Time. Yeah.
Time.
I understand.
And we replaced when we put the dash in it, replaced all the speakers in through the whole truck.
You guys can see the X pipe or anything under there.
Yeah.
I'm not really gonna crawl around in the mud.
X pipe. It's got a 400 turbo in it. It's got a stage 3 shift kit. It's got a 3500 stall in it. Man, there's just so much to list.
Yeah.
The motor's got all new bearings. Been honed out, new rings, new bearings. It's got a 620 lift cam in it. She thumps pretty hard.
I was gonna say it probably ought to thump a little bit.
And we put we got all new window regulators for them.
Yeah, doing some video on the way down here. I said, well, maybe we'll get to see it at the track this year and watch you spank me, give me a good spanking.
It'll end up there. It'll end up there, that's for sure. I saved all the metal. You never know when you need a spare.
Oh yeah. I've got piles of stuff that probably ought to be just
like
stripped and taken out to the salvage yard. But
you see where
oh yeah.
all the bondo's cracking out in them.
Yep.
They were pretty shot. And I was told at one time these doors were just plumb full of it.
Looks like
And
it.
I didn't believe it until after it's set for a year. Then you just start seeing it all just start splitting out on me.
That's the way my crew cab is.
And
Those doors are just so full of Bondo, and I got one. I think the passenger side front door is it's chipping out and just got a big old spot that's gone. But
yeah,
one of these days I might get to
and you can see.
easy killer.
You can see at one time where they painted this door, they left the pinstripe tape on it.
Oh, yeah.
Over it.
What?
You see that?
Yeah. They didn't take the...
They didn't take the tape off or nothing. They just
Wow.
cleared over it. Then
Yeah, that's...
here's the fenders that were full of.
Yeah.
I mean, they still work for someone in a pinch, so they just don't like.
What you doing, buddy? Yeah.
Oh, dog a peanut.
Here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Yeah.
They just want some loving.
Yeah. You're gonna be on YouTube. Smile pretty. Yep. I was kind of seeing a little bit of progress there on Facebook, and it finally dawned on me the other night to, just shoot you close by. I've been like doing the little interviews, I'm not very good at interviewing.
Yeah.
And but just something different on the channel than me sitting in my shop boring everybody to death. But
that's how I sit there and twiddle my thumbs thinking, what's the next thing I can do?
yeah, it's like I got so many other projects going, and trying to make time for the channel it gets kind of put on the wayside sometimes. But then I'll get an idea, oh, I'm going to do this, and I get my shop and I get sidetracked in something, and it's a mess. I mean, that's probably about the way most gearheads are. They always sidetracked or
do a little here and a little there,
yeah.
And before you know it, where am I at?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to mount mine on some wider wheels, but I've got a whole nother plan going, so I'm going to be changing wheels anyways and changing bolt patterns. I haven't divulged all the information yet on the channel yet, but I'm hoping someone might guess, because someone said need to put a 9-inch in there, and it's like, it ain't going to be a Ford product. But it's going to be a very, very, very stout GM product.
I'd probably put a 14 bolt in it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kind of a cool rundown going over a truck a guy's rebuilding. Looking forward to seeing what it turns out to be like whenever he gets it done. It's going to sound like it'll be pretty slick. Wish we could have got a test ride or something in it, but it wasn't drivable because the fuel cell was in the bed, which the bed is sitting on some sawhorses. So anyways, we'll end it off here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Go check out our Teespring store. Get you some merchandise. I got one of my nice hoodies on with all my Squarebodies on it. Go check that out. Give us a like. Share this with your friends. So until next time, y'all keep your Squarebodies rolling. We'll catch you later. There's a Squarebody over there. And they're everywhere.